All right, Grant, I'm having some flashbacks of all these clients that we've worked on with some very tough version control.
Before this, there was really no good way to do version control. There were clients I've worked on where there was a notes page on the front page of the data set that just listed out each version and what changes were made with that version, or other ways of doing it, such as just like creating new versions and labeling them as a new version. Also had the experiences doing it in a Visual Studio with ADO repos, which requires a lot of communication and is also kind of finicky at times.
The Visual Studio obviously is built for version control, but for supported projects, because a Power BI file is a binary file. It just, you go to open it in Visual Studio and it says, you can't open this. You just gotta open it in PBIX and Power BI, and then let me know when you're done. You can check it back in. And we've had some clients that we just don't have a good answer for. They ask us, oh, what's your best practice? And we have these like list of things we've tried, but nothing great. And I feel like this tabular model definition language should change that and allow us to really provide real version control with constant integration, constant delivery.
Yeah, it's great having a method of version control that's supported by Microsoft now.